work day here. Well, that's already, look at that. That's already covered its gap, so I think we're done with that. To the upside, we have not really three. We have Tesla. Tesla's up because I think they got some tax breaks out of China on about 15 of their models, if I remember, that they're exempt from a lot of the taxation. So we're seeing that gapping up considerably, and now some pullback from that. We'll wait for 10 minutes or so, see if anything materializes there. That trading in the high 20 handle. And then AMBA was up big, up about 18%, 18.09% to be exact. We'll see if that's coming back. We have those set. We're not going to act on those in the first 10 minutes anyhow. Don't try to be a hero today, folks. It is not that type of day. We will certainly take whatever comes our way, but don't get crazy. Let's see, some zones that we might be looking at here. To the downside, Marriott maybe.